Hi everyone, my name is Romeo Machil. Today I'm going to be explaining how to use a treadmill for your cardiovascular endurance. So the first thing you want to do before getting on a treadmill, you have to make sure that the belt is not moving at all. Then you step on the treadmill. And then what you have here are your settings of how the treadmill works. So the treadmill mostly works with speed and incline. So you can just adjust it. You can start as a beginner, you can start with the 2 kilometers per hour, 2 kilometers per hour, and then with the incline you can easily just adjust it with two. Then the treadmill will start to adjust itself. These are the handles where you're in the motion or walking or running, whichever you prefer. This is where you can increase or decrease the speed and the incline. These are the handlers in case you ever get tired and then you have to grab on this one. This is the emergency pull. You have to use this in case you're under emergency and you can't, and the machine will stop on its own. Thank you.